Hiya, it's Amanda here from Lolli Lulu Crafts, and today it is that time of the month for our monthly kit, and as always at the moment we are using Hero Arts. So I haven't looked at it. It's come in this very luminescent green tissue. As always, it's wrapped like a present, and as always we will be doing two videos. One, this video showing the contents of the kit, and then a second video showing a project made with the contents of the kit. So if you want to see both videos and want to find them nice and easy, go to the link below this video if you're here on YouTube, and it will say show more. Click on that, it opens up that paragraph and you will find the link to the blog post, and that blog post will have both videos. It will have photographs of the finished product, it will have project, it will have links to the products used as well. Okay, so let's get going with having a peek at what we've got. So I'm going to put this to one side for a minute. That's our kind of main items, and take a peek at this here. Now this looks very interesting. I'm trying to see what we've got. So clearly we have a gorgeous looking stencil, which I am really liking. What a lovely design that is. So this is what I would call a permanent item, because a stencil, unless you treat it really poorly, is going to last you a long time. And then we've got an ink. We've got Intensified Black. So that's great. Again, that's what I would call a semi-permanent. So a very nice. So the ink, it's always nice to have a great black ink. I've not tried their black. I've got quite a number of the colours, but none of the black. And I think it's a different type of ink as well. And then we've got this little watercolour palette. And this is like tiny blobs of actual watercolour paint, and then you can, obviously it's a quite limited in compared to like a palette that has like proper pans, but it's just like a little tester of all the colours, which is a really cool way to see what you think of them. And also, I guess, to get a particular palette, you use it maybe for some cards or some projects, and then you could move on and get something different and maybe choose. This is called their Jungle palette. I'm thinking that may fit in with the project, with the stamps and dies that we've got. Yeah. So now we've got our actual dies and our stamps, and of course our ribbon, as always. Gorgeous colour. Love this. I always love the colours that they give us. So this is another really nice one. This is definitely a consumable item. So I guess that's why that was called Jungle Theme, because we have got a fabulous, this seems to be very much the theme of the moment, I think. What do they see? Theme du jour. Sort of elephants and and all the wildlife. We started off a while back with kind of flamingos being really popular, and I think then elephants came in, and now it's becoming more and more. And look at this beautiful leopard, gorgeous. Oh, look at the snake. Can you see that snake? Oh, you need the card, don't you? Isn't that great? Actually, if I do that, you'll see a lot better, won't you? I think this is really cool, actually. This is a really cute images, kind of quite realistic as well, so that's really nice. So that's the stamps, and then we've got all of these dies to go with them, and it looks like they're upside down, but it looks like there's pretty much everything has its a die for it. I was just thinking that one here and this one here are not on here, so they're actual extra dies to add some vines, I guess, looking at what it is. You will have to snip these apart, and you will need to do that quite carefully for the ones on the outside. I would recommend that you use some thing nice and sharp, like a pair of pliers or whatever, and then take a file or a piece of sandpaper and just sand it off. Not so easy on the inside edges. If there's any bits that are inside, like here, that one's on the inside, it's not so easy to sand off, but it's less of a problem anyway because it's on the inside. You're not going to be necessarily holding it, but when they're on the outside like that, you're holding it and you catch yourself, and they're really quite sharp, so it's definitely worth sanding off. Okay, so that is it for this video showing you what's in the kit. I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope to see you over on the second video with the project that we're going to make using the contents from this kit, and I'm super looking forward to doing that, and I definitely hope you'll join me. So thank you so much for watching. As I said, if you want to find the second video easiest, just use that link and go across to the blog post, and while you're there, do please subscribe to me if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.